Welcome to Exploring Databases, part of the Library Crash Course series. We will be starting today on the library's homepage, jsu.edu/library. Scroll down the page to the bar that says Resources. Clicking here, you'll notice a link to our A to Z database list. You can, of course, type the name of a database that you wish to access here as well. Clicking on the All Subjects drop-down menu, you can notice a number of different subjects listed here. If you prefer, you can search for a specific subject and start your search there. You can also search by database type, but today we are going to focus on searching for a specific database, JSTOR. This brings up the name of our database. We click on the blue link and it takes us to the database directly. You will notice if you are off campus that you'll be asked to sign in to your MyJSU account from here. Let's go back to the JSU A to Z database list. We searched for JSTOR here, but another common search is for videos. We have two major video databases. One of them is Films on Demand. The other is Canopy. Let's look for Films on Demand. Searching for Films on Demand, we notice it comes up here. We click on the direct link, and it takes us directly into the Films on Demand database. If you're having trouble finding any of these items, please feel free to contact us via the Need Help button, which is located on every library search screen. Also, you can contact us via our email at ask@jsu.libanswers.com, text us at 256-263-4917, or you can contact one of your friendly subject specialist librarians.